Now, if you've ever had a long wait at a bus stop, it can be a rather tedious experience with not much to look at. However, so-called smart bus stops could be about to change all that with just a swipe of your mobile phone. And if you're new to the area and looking to explore, the humble bus stop could be the start of an inspiring journey, as Rob Shelley has been finding out.
Porthmadog, it's a pretty friendly town where now even the benches and bus stops and lampposts can engage you in conversation. The only thing you need to talk's a mobile phone, because whilst the street furniture of Porthmadog is remarkably chatty, it's not very verbal. I've never chatted to a bench before, but,
no.
You know...
Basically, it's a playful way of the public interacting in the community, sharing their views, their feedback, what they think about Porthmadog.
The idea is called Helo Port, and like any conversation, it works two ways. It gives out information and takes in people's opinions, helping to navigate the town towards post-pandemic life.
We'll click on the QR code here, so let's scan away, and then we can say, hello bench number 12. Good afternoon, it's too cloudy for my liking today. I'm here to chat with you about the local area.
This is a bench that's feeling the cold.
Yes.
Just about anyone can do it, even people who are worried that their smartphone is smarter than they are. Here we go. Very chatty today. Could your experience in Porthmadog be made more memorable? So are the good people of the town they call Port about to start befriending their bus stops or liking their lampposts a little more.
I love Porthmadog. Yeah, it's amazing.
You're going to have to share that now with the bus shelter.
Am I?
But talking to a lamppost is something else.
Mabel and Daisy were avoiding that dog cliché by ignoring the lamppost completely, but owners Deb and Anita weren't.
I do like it, to be honest.
What is it that appeals to you about it?
Being accessible with all the QR codes and everything else on there. Yeah.
Meanwhile, back at the bus stop, it's given me a link for the local train timetable as well. And then it's asking me trivia now.
They've been wonderful and very weird feedback, but, you know...
I think they should put some eyes on the lamppost. That would help.
You're really going for this talking lamppost thing here, aren't you? There have been 500 chats so far, and trust me, bus stops make for excellent conversations. Rob Shelley, ITV News, in Porthmadog.
Rob discovering the magic of a smartphone there.